Fill the tunnel of the cartridge with enVista Plus to the front edge of the wings. Apply the enVista Plus to the 2 lateral grooves and also place a small amount on the plunger tip. Open the vial containing the enVista lens and remove, grasping with forceps. Carefully pull out vertically from the center slot in the top of the vial. Place the lens into the loading zone anterior side up in the loading chamber, first checking against the lens image shown on the cartridge to ensure correct orientation, and center on the hinge and fixed wings. The lens should be positioned so that the fenestration holes are in line with the center of the loading deck. Move the lens forward by pushing against the trailing haptic with forceps, and again with forceps, push down the lens uniformly to ensure the lens optic and haptics are positioned flat against the bottom of the cartridge, and the tips of the 2 haptics are tucked underneath the grooves. Close the cartridge. The wings are locked when an audible click is heard. Ensure the lens folds in the proper orientation and the haptics are not caught in the wings. Press the plunger forward to advance the lens until the plunger tip is just past the flange at the front edge of the wings. Retract the plunger 2/3 the length of the wings to ensure the haptic has not been trapped along the side of the plunger. Press the plunger forward again to advance the lens into the tip of the cartridge. The system is now ready for insertion. The enVista uses a wound-assisted injection technique in which the corneal tunnel is used to inject the lens, and the injector cartridge remains outside the anterior chamber. In effect, the corneal tunnel acts as an extension of the cartridge tip. The tip of the injector is positioned firmly against the 2.2 mm incision site. Then the surgeon uses a side port instrument to exert counter-traction, and the plunger is advanced slowly to release the IOL into the eye. The flexibility of the enVista material enables you to insert it easily through a 2.2 mm incision, with more controlled unfolding than current hydrophobic acrylic IOLs, facilitating precise lens placement and removal of the enVista Plus at the end of the procedure.